Welcome back, guys, to day 3, where Will and I battle Mother Nature in a race against time to find as much gold before the heavy rains set in and wash us out, likely forever.
Will thinks he's found a big one.
Will finds his biggest nugget and the gold just keeps getting better.
Oh well, lucky we came out today. Found a good little pocket, I'll show you. This is unreal.
For a couple of novice prospectors, today is one we won't forget.
Yes! Well, it's morning. It rained a little bit last night, but not enough to cloud the river, so we're going to pack up all this and so brekkie and suit up. We're suited up, walking to the spot. Plan today is to just get as much gold as we can, because we've only got about, what, three and a half hours, if the rain stays away. Hopefully we get onto a good patch like we did right at the end of yesterday. Fingers crossed there's more, but
I reckon it dries out.
Yeah, it probably dries out. Always happens. It's early morning anyway, you never get the good nuggets in the early morning. Alright, enough talking, let's go. Well, it didn't take long. Started working where we did yesterday. We got our first little chunky piece. Nothing amazing, but it's a start. And it's a start early in the day, which is great. Ready? We'll show you.
While not large by any means, there was gold as soon as we stuck our head underwater, which was a good sign.
Alright, let's see what else we can get.
This crack had plenty of small gold in it, a nice little entree for the main course that was coming up.
It's early on. First good sized picker. I'll show you.
Our strategy was simple. We're going to work together and then split the results when we were done.
It's a new buggy. Oh, look at that. That's thick. That is chunky. Oh my god. I think that's the one I saw. Hang on. I'll get a video of that one. That's it. That's a thicker. Wanna see how?
Ready? Oh, it's tiny. Oh, whatever. Chuck in the snuffer.
Oh, it's all.
Huh?
Oh. Oh. That's a nugget. That's an actual nugget.
Keep it on the water.
Oh, that's small. That's an actual nuggie. That was a good size one. That's a few good pieces.
There's gonna be one.
While Will worked the large, smooth gully, which surprisingly had quite a lot of gold in it, I tried the small little cracks surrounding it, and there was plenty of fine gold throughout.
I just saw it flash.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
I always laugh when I watch these back and listen to the sounds of us talking underwater and squirting when we find gold. Hopefully you find it enjoyable as well.
That's a heck of a sound. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's very hot. Yeah. Yeah, very hot. Yeah. Huh? Uh-huh. I'm not going to even put it here.
I have a good feeling about this little pocket.
You'll see coming up pretty shortly that that good feeling on that pocket ended up being where Will found his largest nugget he's ever found. But before then, I was still getting plenty of gold in these cracks, so I was going to finish them off first.
We're getting nice consistent pieces, but the rain's starting to come in now. I don't know if you can see it, so we've only got a limited amount of time to get as much gold as we can, and then we'll have to head out because the water will just get really milky and we won't be able to see. So hopefully it stays pitter-pattering, but There is heavy rain on the way, so shut up and let's get back in there. Yeah. You see like this? I've got like 7 of these out of this spot. They're not massive, but they're chunky.
And then I heard Will give out a little squeal.
We've been getting consistent gold, and for us this is amazing. And Will thinks she found a big one, bigger one. Oh, it's smaller. That's still pretty good. Look at that. Look at that.
That's sick.
And she's Will's.
That's sick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, pick your nugget up. Well done. Well done. Look at that. That's a beauty. I reckon that's at least a gram.
That's a gram.
Wow, well, lucky we came out today.
I reckon just film right here for a second.
Yeah. This never happens early in the day, so the gold gods are with us today. So we started down there, and the gold just gotten better and better. You found another one? I was just saying the gold's getting better and better as we move up towards the bank. Oh, bigger than the other one?
No, what is good?
It's not round low.
As I was saying, the gold's just getting better and better. I wonder how much we're going to be able to get before the rain sets in. We'll find out.
That's so good. There's no missing that one. Oh yeah, that's a not huge, not so. Look at that. Oh yeah.
We were super excited at this stage. We've never found gold in this sort of concentrations before. It seemed like every bit of overburden we moved, there was pieces of gold underneath.
Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't get you there in the water. Yeah.
And just when we thought the day couldn't get any better, we found an awesome little honey hole, just absolutely full of gold.
Found a good little pocket. I'll show you. This is unreal.
Yeah. Look at you sound like a turd. Holy shit.
It's a bit hard to see because the torch overexposes the gold, but it is everywhere in all these little cracks.
Look at all the gold. Look at all that! Oh!
And then the inevitable happened and the rain started to set in. We decided to push on for a little bit longer because I knew this was the last time I would most likely ever get to go back to this spot, which was bittersweet because as beginner prospectors, we had never found gold in concentrations quite like this. But it was great to be leaving southern New South Wales on a high and to have got to experience this with Will. So we sucked up our last few pieces of gold, and as hard as it was, we called it a day.
Well, it's still raining, so we're going to pack up and call it a day. Just a quick one today. It's only coming up to 11:30, so we've got a big drive out of here. So we're going to get back to the car, do a quick weigh up, but for a half day, or not even that, we started at 8:30 because it took a while to get ready. I'm flavouring way too much. So we're going to head back to the cars, weigh it all up, split it, and then split ways. We'll just chuck all the rocks back in. Reclamation, important part of prospecting.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, if you could hit the like button, drop a comment below, and if you could share this with someone who might enjoy it, it would mean the absolute world and really help the channel.
There you go, a few minutes and it's basically done. A few of these are actually part of the rock wall, so yeah. Not stakes at all!
Big grins on our faces, it was time to hike out.
Back at the cars, still raining. We're going to dump them in. Ready?
You go first. Ready?
We'll both set up. 3,
Alright.
2, 1. And for the nugget. It's looking pretty good, mate. It's looking very good. Look at that. That is not bad.
For 3 hours.
Not bad for 3 hours. Alright, let's weigh it up. Yeah, look at that. That is juicy. Time to weigh the nugget. What do you reckon? Actually, I'm just going to do some zooming in. This is juicy. I reckon the gram.
I'll say a gram. Even gram.
Ah! 0.979. Almost.
Alright, that's pretty cool.
Almost. Where was the other little nugget? Yeah, the other little one. Yeah, that's the other one.
Just at 0.1.
0.2. 0.25. Alright. Or I'm going to go, if that was 1.25, I'm going to go 3 grams.
Yeah, I think fair.
Oh, well more than 3. That's pretty good. 4.3. That's for
3 hours.
For 3 hours. Pretty happy with that.
Yeah, that's cool.
Alright, let's divide and conquer. Get out of this rain.
Here's some of the large gold I got this trip, as well as the total, which was 4.72 that I got this trip for my 3 days, and Will a total of 3.78 for his 2 days and his large 1 gram nugget.
That's it from us, guys. Stoked for the few days we were here. Started off a little bit slow, but yeah,
Worth it.
it was an awesome trip. It's probably the last trip I'll be doing before moving up north. So it's awesome we got to do it with Will. Awesome memories.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Thank you for that.
Thanks for the machete.
That's alright.
Had a cracking few days.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Good fun. Good
Next
job.
time we'll probably see us together is
Queensland.
when he comes up to visit in northern New South Wales. When I've found where the big nuggets are.
Yeah.
Fucking
Thanks,
awkward.
guys.
Alright, see you guys.
Yeah.